Well, I'm very pleased to be showing you this, my latest acquisition. It's a Jowitt Major Poppet valve steam engine. They were a casting kit made by Chelston Model Engineering, who are based in Torquay in Devon. And they was producing these kits in the mid 1980s. There was two versions of this engine. There was the smaller one and the major one. I'm not sure if all the major ones came with the flywheel governor, but this certainly looks like whoever built this has made a lovely job of it. From what the seller was saying, it's never been run. It was built and it's been sat on the shelf for something like 30 years. It's absolutely beautiful bit of kit. I think the timing's out at the moment because I tried to run it on air. You've got a drain cock there, look. I tried to run it on air and it seemed to be pushing against itself. It was going and then it wanted to sort of kick back. So I'm gonna adjust the timing. I haven't done that yet. I just wanted to do a quick video on how lovely this machine is. It was absolutely gorgeous. It was very well made. I'm really pleased with it. It's got your little oil cups. It really looks lovely. I can't wait to see it run. It's going to take me a little while to. Basically, I had a little operation last week, and I shouldn't really be in the garage. They've told me to take it easy. Nothing desperate, but it's painful, so I haven't been able to do any actual work. But I couldn't resist doing this video because it's I'm sure you'll like this. And look, it's got the Samuel G. Jowitt 1907. So it's a replica, scale replica of an engine made by Shippy Motor Company from 1907, and this Chelston Model Engineering were making the casting kits and selling them. I've seen a few of the old model engineering magazines with the adverts for these, but I don't think there was many of the major, the bigger one like this. I don't think there was many of these made or sold. I'd love to find out if there's a register or any records of how many of these were actually made. I haven't seen any of the majors. I think I was on one of the forums and someone showed one running, and I was pleased to see that. But I've seen one very short video on YouTube, and it was one of them shorts. Someone running it on air, but it was literally a 30-second video, and I'm going to try and do a bit better once I can come back down the garage and actually do some work. But yeah, I definitely think the timing's out, because I think the timing should be. This is the inlet over here. I think it's the inlet, or the inlet's over here. And when it's coming up to top dead center, yeah, I think it's starting too early. Well, we'll see. I'll look into it. I did find something online about setting the timing. I've got the drawings as well. I've got all the drawings, but I had the drawings, but there was no build instructions or build manual or anything like that. So I'm sure that when this kit was sold, there would have been some build instructions or a build kit, a build sort of a manual, but maybe not. But look, I mean, it really is really nicely made. It's lovely little. It's a functioning, proper functioning governor. You know, a lot of the models only have, you know, the sort of the demonstration, the fake governor, just for, you know, so it looks nice. But this is a functioning governor. But yeah, what do you think? It's lovely, isn't it? I think it's great. As soon as I get it fixed, I'll run it on air first. I'll do a video of it running on air, and then it's quite a big bore. I think it's 1.5 inch bore. So I've got a Stuart Turner 501 boiler. I'm hoping that will be man enough to run it. I think it'll probably run it for a little while, but then it might run out of steam. It might run out of steam quite quickly, but we'll see. I know with my 501 boiler, it didn't run a Stuart Turner number 9 for very long. It run it for a little while, but that number 9 was steam hungry. Now I did read somewhere on these on the line that these are not so steam hungry, so we'll see. But you can see it's quite a big piston. But yeah, so we'll see. But I thought I'd just put a quick video on there, just what my intentions are to get this running, get the timing sorted, get it running on air, and then do another video on steam. So there's another plaque there. Not really see what that says. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that's the model company. It's the model company's tag, number 24. Well, there you go. This was number 24. Out of whatever money they raised, money they made. I don't know if that's number 24 of the total production of the major and the smaller one, or number 24 of the major. The ones I've seen online, I will check to see if the other ones have got plaques on to give the number. But I'm really pleased with this. I like my Stuart Turners, but you see them all the time, and these you don't see at all. I haven't. I think there's one YouTube video of one of these running. I'm just going to try and improve on that and make a better video. Anyway, there you go. I'm really pleased with this, and I hope to show you a better video soon.